संक्रो नरकायव कुलघनाना कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो हेषा लुप्तपिण्डोन्क्रिया.
Increase of unwanted population, a hellish situation is created both for the family and for those who destroy the family tradition. In such corrupt families, there is no offering of oblations, of food and water to the ancestors.
Jai Shri Krishna. According to the rules and regulations of fruitive activities, there is a need to offer periodical food and water to the forefathers of the family. This offering is performed by worship of Vishnu because eating the remnants of food offered to Vishnu can deliver one from all kinds of sinful actions. Sometimes the forefathers may be suffering from various types of sinful reactions. And sometimes some of them cannot even acquire a gross material body and are forced to remain in subtle bodies as ghosts. Thus, when remnants of prasadam food are offered to forefathers by descendants, the forefathers are released from ghostly or other kinds of miserable life. Such help rendered to forefathers is a family tradition, and those who are not in devotional life are required to perform such rituals. One who is engaged in the devotional life is not required to perform such actions. Simply by performing devotional service, one can deliver hundreds and thousands of forefathers from all kinds of misery. It is stated in the Bhagavatam.
देवर्षि भूताप्त नृणा पितर्णा न कीक्रो नायमृणी च राजन सर्वात्मना यह शरणा शरण्यम गतो मुकुंद परहृत्य कर्तम.
Anyone who has taken shelter of the lotus feet of Mukunda, the giver of liberation, giving up all kinds of obligation, and has taken to the path in all seriousness, owes neither duties nor obligations to the demigods, sages, general living entities, family members, humankind or forefathers. Such obligations are automatically fulfilled by performance of devotional service to the with
दुष्यरितयः कुलघनाना वर्णसंकरकारके उत्साधन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वता.
The evil deeds of the destroyers of family tradition, all kinds of community projects and family welfare activities are devastated.
Jai Shri Krishna. The four orders of human society, combined with family welfare activities as they are set forth by the institution of the Sanatan Dharma or Varnashrama Dharma, are designed to enable the human being to attain his ultimate salvation. Therefore, the breaking of the Sanatan Dharma tradition by irresponsible leaders of society brings about chaos in that society, and consequently people forget the aim of life Vishnu. Such leaders are called blind, and persons who follow such leaders are sure to be led into chaos. With this we saw the meaning of the 42 verse of the first chapter. Now tomorrow we will see the meaning of the 43 verse. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.
उत्सन्न कुलधर्माना मनुष्याना जनार्दन नरके नियत वासो भवतीत्यनुश्रुश्रुम.
O Krishna, maintainer of the people, I have heard by disciplic succession that those who destroy family traditions dwell always in hell.
Jai Shri Krishna. Arjuna bases his argument not on his own personal experience, but on what he has heard from the authorities. That is the way of receiving real knowledge. one cannot reach the real point of factual knowledge without being helped by the right person who is already established in that knowledge. There is a system in the Varnashrama institution by which one has to undergo the process of atonement before death for his sinful activities. One who is always engaged in sinful activities must utilize the process of atonement called the Prayassitta. Without doing so, one surely will be transferred to hellish planets to undergo miserable lives as the result of sinful activities. With this we saw the meaning of the 43 verse of the first chapter. Now tomorrow we will see the meaning of the 44 verse. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.
अहो बत महत्पाप कतु व्यवसिता वयम यद्राज्य सुखलोभे हंतु स्वजन्मुत्ता.
Alas, how strange it is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful acts, driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness.
Jai Shri Krishna. Driven by selfish motives, one may be inclined to such sinful acts as the killing of one's own brother, father or mother. There are many such instances in the history of the world. But Arjuna, being a saintly devotee of the Lord, is always conscious of moral principles and therefore takes care to avoid such activities. With this we saw the meaning of the 44 verse of the first chapter. Now tomorrow we will see the meaning of the 45 verse. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.
यदि मां प्रतिकारमशस्त्रम शस्त्रपाण्यः धार्तराष्ट्रा रणे हनुस्तम्मे क्षेमत्रम भवेत्.
I would consider it better for the sons of Dhartarashtra to kill me, unarmed and unresisting, rather than to fight with them.
Jai Shri Krishna. It is the custom according to Kshatriya fighting principles that an unarmed and unwilling foe should not be attacked. Arjuna, however, in such an enigmatic position, decided he would not fight if he were attacked by the enemy. He did not consider how much the other party was bent upon fighting. All these symptoms are due to soft-heartedness, resulting from his being a great devotee of the Lord. With this we saw the meaning of the 45 verse of the first chapter. Now tomorrow we will see the meaning of the 46 verse. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.
एवं उक्त्वा जुक्नः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत विसृजय सशर चाप शोक संविघ्नमानस.
Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrows and sat down on the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief.
Jai Shri Krishna. While observing the situation of his enemy, Arjuna stood up on the chariot, but he was so afflicted with lamentation that he sat down, again, setting aside his bow and arrows. Such a kind and soft-hearted person, in the devotional service of the Lord, is fit to receive self-knowledge. And with this, today we have completed the first chapter Arjuna Vishad Yoga. From now onwards we will see the first verse of the second chapter tomorrow. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.